Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy NPC in Minecraft. To begin, you will need to install the Easy NPC mod by simply dragging its file into your Minecraft mods folder. Once installed, launch your game. To create your very first NPC, hold the NPC wand and right-click on any block. Then, right-click on your newly spawned NPC to open the powerful NPC editor, where all the magic happens. This initial setup takes only a few moments. Now that your NPC is created, it is time to make them unique. You can easily change their appearance by selecting from a wide array of skins and models within the editor. Give your NPC a memorable name and write compelling dialogue to bring their personality to life. You can also set their basic behaviors, such as whether they wander or stay put, and how far away they will interact with players. For more intricate experiences, Easy NPC offers advanced features. You can design elaborate dialogue trees, allowing players to make choices that influence the story. Equip your NPCs with specific items, armor, and even powerful weapons to enhance their roles. Assign them advanced functions such as being a shopkeeper, a quest giver with multiple tasks, or even a formidable combatant, adding depth to your world. Finally, here are some helpful tips and troubleshooting advice. If an NPC is not appearing, double-check your mod installation and ensure it is compatible with your Minecraft version. To maintain smooth game performance, try to limit the number of highly complex NPCs in a single small area. Remember to explore online communities and watch other tutorials for endless creative inspiration and solutions to common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.